Alright, I'm gonna teach a new method, a better method, the easier method for the crankshaft position sensor on 2007 Frontier. So instead of going through the wheel well or take the tire off and all that, just go up to the top. Right there, just straight through the top. You'll see, you just have to feel for it. Get a 10mm socket and get that bolt loose. And as soon as you get that bolt loose, you'll be able to, you could disconnect the harness before you take the sensor off, or the sensor might come off with the harness, but however is easier for you. I had to disconnect the harness first after the sensor didn't want to come off that easy. It was kind of stuck on there. So, but you don't have to go in through the wheel well. You know what I'm saying? You could do everything through the top. And because you see the starters right there on top, and the oil pressure switch is right there next to it. So it's right next to the oil pressure switch on the passenger side. As soon as you take that off, you just get some pliers like I did, and then just force it out. And that's it. Reverse the process for installation.